I make chicken curry for my family about once a week. My son Mason loves it. It's quick, easy, and perfect for a weeknight meal. To get our curry started, we're gonna temper our whole spices into hot oil. We have cinnamon stick, bay leaf, clove, and green cardamom. Green cardamom is a spice that you definitely don't wanna bite into. It kinda makes your mouth numb. So make sure you fish that out before serving it. My wife always seems to find the pod. I'll put in 5, and she finds a 6th. Now, once our bay leaves have started to brown on the edges, you're ready for your cumin seed. And immediately add our onion. We're gonna let this cook for about 5 minutes. Saute it until it's translucent. All right, we are ready to add the ginger root and garlic. It's gonna cook really quickly. Saute for about 2 minutes. Now it's ready for the chicken. These are boneless, skinless thighs that I've trimmed and cut into bite-sized pieces. We're gonna cook this for about 5 minutes or until they're evenly white on all sides. All right, it's curry time. I'm using a Madras-style curry. Once it's added, you're going to stir fry it for about 2 minutes. Next, crushed tomato. Stir that in, cover, and let cook 5 minutes. Add the chicken stock and the potatoes. Bring to a boil, reduce to a simmer, and cover. One final spice, garam masala, season with salt and pepper, and that's it, it's done. Chicken curry on a weeknight. Enjoy.